Dear all, welcome back to VJ Tech Talks. In the last video, we have seen an Excel dataset. On top of that, we built a star schema and also explored the types of reports we created in Power BI. If you haven't watched that video yet, I recommend that you watch that video. In this episode, we will try to install SQL Server on premises on a local computer. Along with that, we will also install SSMS for convenience to explore databases and tables. Let's get started. We will download SQL Server from the official Microsoft website. We have different options available for download. For our project, I am downloading the SQL Server on premises. Click on Download. This will navigate to another page. There, they will ask you to fill out this form if you are successful. Click on Download. This will navigate to another page where you can download the file directly. We have a 64-bit edition. Click on this and it will automatically start downloading. Just click here and it will give you a prompt where you can choose the basic option. Accept all terms and conditions, then install. It will take a while. I will pause this video here. Once it is done, I will come back. After the successful installation of SQL Server, we will see this prompt. These are the server credentials, and you should save them somewhere for future reference. We also have another tab here called Install SSMS. SQL Server Management Studio is a tool you can use to query data and connect to the SQL Server. So if you haven't installed the SSMS in your local computer, click on Install SSMS. This will automatically downloading. This will take you to the official Microsoft website where you can download SSMS. Just click on here. Once it is downloaded, I have already downloaded this one. Let me open SSMS in my computer I have already installed. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment and I will help you out. I am just launching SSMS and this is the studio. We have SQL Server is already installed here, right? Try to connect from here. We can browse your server from here. What you can do is just click on Data Engine. Just try to browse. We have only one server which is installed on this local machine. Just click on OK and I will go with the Windows authentication. Just click on Connect. See here, the SQL Server on premises has been successfully connected. Now we are able to communicate with SQL Server from SSMS. Let me expand the databases here. If you look here, we don't have any databases. The system databases and database snapshots that we have .e. We can create our own databases by opening a new query. Here we can write the create database and create schema. It takes a lot of time to build tables and schemas. So our convenience, what I will do is download the backup database file directly from the official Microsoft website. We have a set of files that we can download for our project execution. See here, I have OLTP databases, data warehouse databases, and lightweight databases. We have different types of backup files here. Among these, you can download one and simply restore it on your installed server. You can restore it here. Just click on Database and right-click and restore the database and look for that file. I have already downloaded it. I just clicked on device and now I'm browsing for a file. This is the backup file. Click on add and let me look for my file on the drive. Here is the SQL file. AdventureWorks 2022 and click on OK, then OK. It is loading. Just click on OK. It restored successfully. If you expand this one, see under the databases we have AdventureWorks 2022, we have tables. See, we have plenty of tables. There are different types of views as well, right? Using AdventureWorks 2022, we can build the medallion architecture with the help of these tables. So in the next session, what we can do is try to build the medallion architecture with the help of SQL. Alternatively, we have the Excel dataset also. Either of these options can be used. We will try to read the data both from the Excel dataset and from our SQL server. That's all for today. If you have any doubts or if you're not understanding something, feel free to ask and I'll help you out. I will respond to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.